ሰላም ሰላም ይህ የስምንተኛ ክፍል የ2018 ሚኒስትሪ ኤግዛም ነው። 60 ጥያቄዎች አሉት። የተሰጠው ደግሞ 1 ሰዓት ነው። ስለዚህ ለአንድ ጥያቄ 1 ደቂቃ ማለት ነው። የመጀመሪያው ፓርት 1 comprehension section reading passage. The instruction says read the following passage carefully and answer questions 1 to 6 based on the information provided and blacken the letter of your choice on the separate answer sheet provided. The 21st century is already turning out to be the century of advanced technologies. The technological revolution that started as early as the Second World War is now developing more quickly, and computing and other technological advances are beginning to reach, influence, and take over nearly every aspect of our lives. The two main effects advanced computing has had on our lives are in the areas of economics and communication. Technology has led to big changes in economic and business systems and operations. Businesses now have to be changed cloud services or machine learning to reduce the risk of failure. Consequently, every big corporation bases its operations on computing regardless of which sector they are in. For instance, Coca-Cola, the BBC, and Levi's sell different products and services. Yet they all share one basic property. Without advanced computing services, their operations would collapse. New technologies are a generator of economic dynamism. China, India, and many other developing countries have large IT sectors which drive their economies. Furthermore, the more advanced economies, including Germany, the United States, Japan, and Korea, are moving from an industry-based economy to a computing and IT-based one. The other important effect of technological change is the revolutionizing of communication. For example, in the past, people wrote letters or talked on phones using fixed landlines, which slowed down the communication process. Now they send emails, texts, or chats using mobile devices instead of waiting weeks for a letter or spending time finding a landline. We can communicate instantly in real time or seconds after a message or email has been sent. New forms of communication are cheaper or free. As a result, now people who lived thousands of kilometers away from each other can communicate as much as they want and whenever they want. This is the source from where the passage is taken. So the first question says, according to the passage, how did people communicate in the past? በምንባቡ መሰረት ሰዎች በድሮ ጊዜ በምን ነበር የሚጠቀሙት? በምን ነበር ኮሚኒኬት የሚያደርጉት? Through video calls, using social media, through emails and chats, by writing letters or fixed landlines. So the answer is by writing letters or using fixed landlines. It is stated in the passage. See here. In the past, people wrote letters and talked on phones using fixed landlines. The second question says, why is the 21st century also called the century of advanced technology? አንደኛው ቴክኖሎጂ የአድቫንስድ ቴክኖሎጂ ዘመን ነው የምንለው ለምንድን ነው? A, because technology ended in the 20th century. በ20ኛው ክፍለ ዘመን ቴክኖሎጂ ስላቆመ ነው ወይ ስላበቃ ነው። Since people have stopped using previous machines, የድሮ ማሽኖችን መጠቀም ስላቆሙ ነው። Because it is in the Second World War, technology had come to a stop. ምክንያቱም በሁለተኛው ዓለም ጦርነት ቴክኖሎጂ ስላቆመ ነው ወይም ስላበቃ ነው። The advanced technologies are developing and influencing people's lives very quickly. The answer is this one. You can get in the passage. It's stated advanced technologies are developing and influencing people's lives very quickly. Advanced technology is በፍጥነት እያደገና የሰዎች ህይወት ላይም በፍጥነት ተጽዕኖ እያደረሰ ያለ ሴክተር ነው ማለት ነው። Number 3, according to the passage, when did the technological revolution begin? In recent years only, በቅርብ ጊዜ ማለት ነው. After the Cold War, in the 21st century, as early as the Second World War. So it's stated in the passage actually. It's as early as the Second World War. በሁለተኛው ዓለም ጦርነት አካባቢ ነው የተጀመረው ማለት ነው። You can refer back to the passage. Number 4, The pronoun they in the third paragraph denotes what? Emails, letters, products, people. Let's check on the third paragraph they. ሶስተኛው ፓራግራፍ ይሄ ነው። this is the first paragraph, this is the second, and this is the third. So እዚህ ጋር they የሚል we will find, we will search for that. አንድ እዚህ ጋር አግኝቻለሁኝ. if there is any other, okay እዚህ ጋርም አለ. So anyways, both are talking about people. If you see here, in the past, people wrote letters or talked on phones using fixed landlines, which slowed down the communication process. Now they send emails. አሁን ኢሜይሎችን ይላላካሉ። እነማን? They are people. እዚህ ጋም ያለው ቢሆን ስላልደመቀ ነው እንጂ ሁለቱም ቢሆኑ they are referring to people. So the answer is people. The verb drive in the second paragraph has the meaning of remove, roll, supports, rotates. So drive የሚለው ትርጉሙ ተመሳሳይ የትኛው ነው? አገባባዩ ፍቹ ማለት ነው። You can see here, new technologies are a generator of economic mechanism. China, India, and many other developing countries have large IT sectors which drive their economies. Which drive their economies means which can support their economies. ኢኮኖሚያቸውን የሚያግዝላቸው የሚያነቃቃላቸው ማለት ነው። what does the pronoun they in the second paragraph refer to? በሁለተኛው ፓራግራፍ they የሚለው ምን ነው የሚያመለክተው? Coca-Cola, the BBC, Levi's sell different products, all companies collectively. So እዚህ ጋር እንደምታዩት on the second paragraph it says they all share, this is the pronoun they. So they all share one basic property. እነማን ናቸው ሼር የሚያደርጉት? አንድ የጋራ ባህሪ ያላቸው እነማን ናቸው? all these things, BBC, Levi's, and Coca-Cola. All of these, it means the companies mentioned, all the companies collectively. አንድ ላይ ማለት ነው። Number 7, it is vocabulary now. From 7 to 11, it's vocabulary. The road was dashed at rush hour in the morning. Crashed. Already there was accident, so they crashed. Collide, break, all these things they cannot be an answer, so the answer is fatalities. Fatalities ማለት death ማለት ነው። ሞት፣ የተመዘገበ ሞት አልነበረም። ምንም እንኳን የመኪና አደጋ ቢኖርም የተመዘገበ የሞት ጉዳት ግን አልነበረም ማለት ነው። Number 9, heavy rain dash the outdoor event. Developed, threatened, progress, improved. The answer is threatened. Number 10, the teacher used examples to dash the lesson. Bring, give, reinforce, started. The answer is reinforce. The teacher used examples, ምሳሌዎችን ተጠቅሟል። ምን ለማድረግ? To reinforce the lesson. ትምህርቱን ግልጽ ለማድረግ, to make it understandable. ሰዎች እንዲረዱት ለማድረግ፣ ተማሪዎች እንዲረዱት ለማድረግ, to reinforce the lesson, he used examples. Okay. Number 11, the game dashed the children's interest in learning. Is sluggish, stimulated, opened. So that is stimulated. The game stimulated the children's interest in learning. ጌሙ የልጆችን የመማር ፍላጎት አነሳስቶታል ማለት ነው። stimulated. Now from number 12 to 16, it's again vocabulary, synonym. እዚህ ጋር የተሰመረበትን ቃል ተመሳሳይ እየሰጠን እንሄዳለን ማለት ነው። Number 12, there is a small entrance charge to the museum. So that's fee. There is a small entrance fee to the museum. She likes to read present day novels. So present day means contemporary. Present day ማለት contemporary ማለት ነው። የቅርብ ጊዜ ኖቬሎች፣ ልቦለዶች ማለት ነው። Number 14, this is an dash animal in Ethiopia like walia ibex. This is an endangered animal. Endangered animal in Ethiopia like walia ibex. Endangered ማለት ለመጥፋት የተቃረበ ማለት ነው። Number 15, bad news dash like a bushfire through the city. So bushfire ማለት ሰደድ እሳት ወይም ደግሞ የጫካ እሳት ማለት ነው። ልክ እንደ ጫካ እሳት ምን ያደርጋል ነው ይሄ ዜናው በከተማው ልክ እንደ ሰደድ እሳት ወይም ልክ እንደ ጫካ እሳት ተሰራጭቷል we say. Okay, so that is spread. Bad news spread like a bushfire through the city. We must dash bad habits in order to remain healthy. We must ጤናችንን አስጠብቀን ለመኖር we must what? We must discard bad habits መጥፎ ሀቢታችንን ወይም ደግሞ መጥፎ ልምዶችን ምን ማድረግ አለብን? ማስወገድ። discard means to remove or avoid, to discard. Now another passage 17 to 23, number 17 to 23. The concept of learning. Learning can be defined as an essential concept that helps individuals learn and acquire new knowledge, skills, attitudes, and values. The concept of learning can also be defined as an acquisition of knowledge, skills, and values that can be achieved through experience, studying, and training, leading to permanent changes in behavior and knowledge. There are various types of learning, as some learning takes place in the classroom, while other types of learning take place outside the classroom. The concept of learning has been crucial in helping individuals from childhood to adulthood. There are various theories that help us understand the concept of learning. The behaviorist theory suggests that learning can be achieved through observing changes in behavior. This theory argues that behavior can be changed through external factors. The cognitive approach suggested that learning can be achieved through internal factors, and this approach argued that learning can take place through thinking, problem solving, and memory. The social learning approach suggested that learning can be achieved by observing the behavior of people. The above arguments show that the concept of learning is very complex. Learning plays a crucial role in personal and societal development. On an individual level, it enables people to improve their abilities, make informed decisions, and achieve personal goals. On a broader scale, learning contributes to social progress by promoting innovation, cultural transmission, and economic growth. In an ever-changing world, the ability to learn continuously is essential for adapting to new challenges and opportunities. This is a source. So, which theory of learning emphasizes mental processes such as memory and thinking? ስለ ሜሞሪ and ስለ ቲንኪንግ ኤምፌሳይዝ አድርጎ የሚያወራው የትኛው ነው? ቢሄቪየር is social learning, cognitive and environmental. So which one is it? So as you can see here, problem solving and memory, this is the cognitive. The cognitive approach suggests that learning can be achieved through internal factors, and its approach argues that learning can take place through thinking, problem solving, and memory. So the answer is cognitive approach. Cognitive approach. C. Number 18. As per the passage, learning can happen እንደ ምንባቡ አባባል learning can happen የት ልንማር እንችላለን? or መቼ? only in childhood በልጅነት ብቻ, only through observation በማየት ብቻ, only through formal instruction በመደበኛ ትምህርት ብቻ, through formal and informal experiences. So the answer is formal and informal. በመደበኛ ወይም በኢመደበኛ ክፍል ውስጥ የምንማረው that is formal education, and the informal through observation or through training ሊሆን ይችላል። Number 19. The demonstrative pronoun this in the second paragraph refers to behaviorist theory, cognitive approach, social learning approach, various theories of learning. So second paragraph, this is the first paragraph and this is the second paragraph. So this የሚለው ምንድነው የሚያመለክተው? This theory argues የትኛው theory? The theory that's mentioned before this, ከዚህ በፊት mention የተደረገው, that is a behaviorist theory. The behaviorist theory suggests that learning can be achieved through observing changes in behavior. This theory is the behaviorist theory. The answer is A, the behaviorist theory. Number 20. Which learning theory emphasizes learning by observing other people's behavior? by observing other people's behavior እዚህ ጋር እንደምታዩት by observing other people's behavior that is social learning, the social learning theory, the social learning approach. By observing the behavior of other people የሌሎች ሰዎችን ባህሪ በማየት የምንማርበት that is social learning approach C. The cognitive approach suggested that learning occurs through what? Rewards and punishment. ሪዋርድ ማለት ሽልማት ነው። ፐኒሽመንት ቅጣት ማለት ነው። ኦብዘርቬሽን ኦፍ አዘርስ ሌሎችን በማየት ፊዚካል አክቲቪቲ አካላዊ እንቅስቃሴ ቲንኪንግ ኤንድ ፕሮብለም ሶልቪንግ ሶ ዘ አንሰር ኢዝ ቲንኪንግ ኤንድ ፕሮብለም ሶልቪንግ ዊ ሃቭ ሲን ዲስ ሶ ዘ ኮግኒቲቭ አፕሮች learning can be achieved through internal factors and this is learning can take place through thinking and problem solving እዚህ ጋር እንደምታዩት thinking and problem solving. All right, let's see the next one. The pronoun it in the third paragraph denotes what? Role, individual, learning, societal development. So we have to go to paragraph 3 and refer back. እዚህ ጋር እንደምታዩት it የሚል አለ. So learning plays a crucial role in personal and societal development. On an individual level, it enables people to improve. ምንድን ነው ሰዎችን ኢኔብል የሚያደርጋቸው እንዳሻሽሉ? that's learning. the answer is learning. So whenever you get this type of question እንደዚህ አይነት ጥያቄዎች ሲመጡ we have to refer back ወደ ኋላ ተመልሰን ፓሴጆቹን ማንበብ አለብን ማለት ነው። 1 line 2 line or 3 lines back ሶስት መስመሮች አካባቢ ወደ ኋላ ተመልሰን አረፍተ ነገሮቹን ማንበብ መቻል አለብን። so that is learning. 23 the word crucial in the first paragraph has the meaning of crucial ምን ማለት ነው? it's very important በጣም አስፈላጊ ነገር ማለት ነው። it's very important አገባባዊ ፍቹንም አይታችሁ ምንም እንኳን የቃሉን ትርጉም ባታውቁት አገባባዊ ፍቹን አይታችሁ መሞከር ትችላላችሁ። The next one is sentence comprehension. So for questions 24 to 25 choose the alternative that has the same or closest meaning. ተመሳሳይ ትርጉም ያለውን እዚህ ጋር ስቴት ለተደረገው ተመሳሳይ ትርጉም ያለውን ነው የምንመርጠው። So 24 says despite the rain ምንም እንኳን ዝናብ ቢኖር they went to shopping ወደ ገበያ ሄደዋል። despite the rain ምንም እንኳን ዝናብ ቢኖር So A says they stopped going because of the rain ዝናብ ስለጣለ መሄዳቸውን አቆሙ ይላል። this is wrong አላቆሙም። They did not go to shopping due to the rain this is also the same as A ወደ ገበያ አልሄዱም ምክንያቱም ዝናብ ስላለ። They went to shopping although it was raining this is correct. They went to shopping ወደ ገበያ ወደ ግብይት ሄደዋል although it was raining ዝናብ ቢኖርም እንኳን የዘነበ ቢሆንም they went ሄደዋል ማለት ነው። Number 25 ጫልቱ had eaten her lunch when ከበደ arrived እዚህ ጋር በፓስት ፐርፌክት እና በሲምፕል ፓስት የተገለጸ አረፍተ ነገር ነው። ሶ ሁልጊዜ በፓስት ፐርፌክት የተገለጸው ቀድሞ የተፈጸመው ወይም የተደረገው ድርጊት ነው። ሶ ጫልቱ had eaten her lunch ቀድማ ነው የበላችሁ ማለት ነው። when ከበደ arrived ከበደ ሲደርስ ጫልቱ ኦልሬዲ ምሳዋን በልታለች ቀድማ ማለት ነው። ሶ ከበደ arrived after ጫልቱ ate her lunch ከበደ የደረሰው ጫልቱ ምሳዋን ከበላች በኋላ ነው ማለት ነው። The answer is B. Number 26 it is well known that water dash at 100 degrees centigrade it's well known ይታወቃል። this is a general fact general truth ወይም ፋክት ነው። ስለዚህ we use verb 1 እንጠቀማለን። So we have two choices እዚህ ጋር boiled ወይም boiling የምንለው እንጠቀምበት we have to choose that water is an uncountable noun so for an uncountable noun we add s to the verb እዚህ ጋር ያለው noun singular noun ወይም uncountable noun ከሆነ we add s to the verb. This arithmetic problem is dash it looks ይህ አርቲሜቲክ ጥያቄ የአርቲሜቲክ ጥያቄ ከሚታየው በላይ ምንድነው የምንለው? ኮምፕሊኬትድ፣ ሞር ኮምፕሊኬትድ፣ ኮምፕሊኬትድ ዳን፣ ሞር ኮምፕሊኬትድ ዳን። ሶ እዚህ ጋር ኮምፕሊኬትድ የሚለው ነው የተሰጠው። ኮምፕሊኬትድ ማለት የተወሳሰበ ማለት ነው። ኮምፕሌክስ ሰምሃው ኮምፕሌክስ ማለት ነው። ኢትስ መልቲ ሲሌብል ወርድ ሶ ዊ ዩዝ ሞር ቱ ሜክ ኢት ኮምፓራቲቭ። ኮምፓራቲቭ ለማድረግ ሞር እንጠቀማለን። በት ዊ ሃቭ ቱ አድ ዛን አዝ ዌል። ኮምፓራቲቭ ስንጠቀም ሁልጊዜ ዛን መጠቀም አለብን። ሶ ሞር ኮምፕሊኬትድ ዛን ኢት ሉክስ። ዲ ኢዝ ኮሬክት። ነምበር 28 ዘ ስቱደንትስ ዳሽ ዜር ሆምወርክ ላስት ናይት። ሶ ላስት ናይት የሚለው እዚህ ጋር ኢትስ ላይክ ሲምፕል ያለፈ ጊዜ እንደሆነ ያሳየናል። ሶ ዊ ዩዝ ቨርብ ቱ እዚህ ጋር and the verb to from the given choices is A. A is correct. Number 29 students dash study regularly to improve their grades. So ውጤታቸውን ለማሻሻል ምን ማድረግ አለባቸው? They should. This is like a sort of advice, ምክር ለመስጠት ማለት ነው። Students should study regularly to improve their grades. ማጥናት አለባቸው. It's like a sort of advice. Number 30, the student who scores a remarkable grade plans to a new business to start. So whenever we have this plans to or like something to, we use verb one after it. Infinitive, to plus infinitive. To plus infinitive. Always verb one የምንጠቀመው. So the answer is A. Number 31, Thomas's father dash him a new bag 2 days ago. Here also at the same time 2 days ago የሚለው simple past እንደሆነ ያሳያል። So we use verb to. ከተሰጡት አማራጮች verb to both የሚለው ነው። The answer is C. 32ኛ ጥያቄ ገነት arrived dash ቦሌ international airport yesterday. So yesterday it's already used verb to preposition ነው የምንጠቀመው። እንደዚህ ስፔሲፊክ ቦታዎች ሲሆን at school, at the hospital, at airport ነው የምንጠቀመው። So this is at ቦሌ international airport we use. Number 33, my parents dash here in Addis Ababa since 1990. Since 1990 means ከ1990 ጀምሮ ማለት ነው። So ከ1990 ጀምሮ we use in such types of sentences we use present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. So this is correct. C. My parents have lived here in Addis Ababa since 1990. ከ1990 ጀምሮ እዚህ እየኖሩ ነው። They are still living there ማለት ነው። Number 34, ገመቹ said I promise I dash never forget your birthday. እዚህ ጋር promise ነው። So for promise we use will. I promise I will never. I promise I will never forget your birthday. This is the book that he told you about regarding social studies. We use who and whom for people, and we use whose to show possession. But in this case, it's like referring to the subject. This is a book which ይሄ መጽሐፍ እኮ ነው ስለ ሶሻል ስተዲ የነገርኩ ይሄ መጽሐፍ ነው። Okay, so we say which. If it were a person, we might say whom. Number 36, Belay has a dash friend who lives in Great Britain. So Belay has a friend. Not friend, we don't say. We don't say many because it's like if it were many, it would have been S here. It should have been S. Friends. We don't use the. We say Belay has a friend. Number 37, the students dash books when the phone rang. Zika, we are having two actions. The phone rang and the students were doing something. So the students were reading. The students were reading when the phone rang. ስልኩ ሲጮህ, which is short action. in mid of long action ስልኩ ሲጮህ when the phone rang they were reading books መጽሐፍ እያነበቡ ነበር we use present past continuous tense here for this one for the longer action ረጅም ሰዓት ለሚፈጀው ድርጊት we use past continuous tense and for the interruption መካከል ላይ ለተፈጠረው ድርጊት ደግሞ we use simple past Number 38 the guests dash dinner before they got to school they got to the hotel the guests so before it says so we have to use past perfect in a way because we have two actions in the past both happened in the past because it says they got so we use past perfect to tell the action that happened before አንድ ድርጊት ከሌላ ድርጊት ቀድሞ ከተፈጠረ ቀድሞ ለተፈጠረው ድርጊት ምን እንጠቀማለን past perfect እንጠቀማለን past perfect but both are in the past ሁሉም they are in the past the answer is had eaten 39 the children dash brush their teeth in the morning the children always we can use adverbs of adverbs of frequency such as always sometimes never like that in present tense so the children always brush their teeth in the morning number 40 she would have called you if she dash your number this is if clause so conditional sentence ወይም if sentence ነው የሚያወራው ስለዚህ this is the if clause and this is the main clause ቀድሞ የመጣው main clause ነው ሁለተኛ ላይ የመጣው ደግሞ if clause ነው እዚህ ጋር እንደምታዩት ስለዚህ main clause ላይ would plus have plus verb 3 ከተጠቀምን if clause ላይ ምን መጠቀም አለብን had plus verb 3 so had plus verb 3 is this one had plus verb 3 is had So if she would have called you ትደውልልህ ነበር if he had your number ቁጥርህ ቢኖራት ኖሮ but she didn't have your number so she didn't call you means ትርጉሙ እንደዛ ማለት ነው ቁጥርህ ስለሌላት አልደወለችልህም ማለት ነው okay number 41 if I dash taller I would play basketball if I was if I were if I am if I become so this is also conditional sentence እዚህ ጋር main clause አለ would plus verb 1 ስለዚህ እዚህ ጋር we would say verb 2 we use verb 2 verb 2 እንጠቀማለን እዚህ ጋር would plus verb 1 ከሆነ እዚህ ጋር እነዚህ verb 2 ስላልሆኑ ምርጫ ላይ አይካተቱም ከነዚህ ግን የትኛውን ነው የምንመርጠው we use where in conditional sentences the subject I takes where in another situations we use was for example I was born in 19 something ልንል እንችላለን ነገር ግን ኮንዲሽናል ሴንቴንስ ላይ ሲሆን where ነው የምንጠቀመው ለምሳሌ if I were a bird I would fly we say I were ለኮንዲሽናል ሴንቴንስ ሲሆን ብቻ number 42 the teacher gave us the homework yesterday and the homework dash done by the students እዚህ ጋር ደግሞ ስለ passive voice ነው የሚያወራው the teacher gave us homework yesterday ትላንት የቤት ስራ ሰጥቶናል and the homework dash done by the students so the homework was done past ስለሆነ we use the homework was done by the students የቤት ስራው በተማሪዎች ተሰርቷል is አንልም because it is past ስለሆነ ሌሎቹ ደግሞ ምርጫ ላይ አይካተቱም okay Teacher Alam is a renowned teacher. Teacher Alam is a renowned teacher and he explains the lesson. Clearly, vaguely, careful, unclear. So እዚህ ጋር የምንጠቀመው adverb ነው የምንጠቀመው adverb ስንጠቀም በly የሚጨርስ ነው so this cannot be an answer ይሄ ከምርጫ ይወጣል ማለት ነው clearly, vaguely, unclearly. so renowned ማለት የታወቀ በጣም ስመጥር ማለት ነው ስመጥር ማለት ነው So if he is a renowned teacher, he have to explain the lesson clearly. በግልጽ ማስረዳት explain ማድረግ ይጠበቅበታል ማለት ነው ከዚህ እንደምንረዳው ቫጊውሊ ማለት ምንም በማያስታውቅ መልኩ ማለት ነው። ቫጊውሊ አንክሊርሊም ተመሳሳይ ትርጉም ነው ያላቸው። ቢ እና ዲ ተመሳሳይ ትርጉም ነው ያላቸው። ሶ they are not an answer, they are not answers. The answer is A. Now it's speaking from 44 to 51. Where exactly did the accident happen? Where indicates place, right? Where exactly did the accident happen? Sorry, I was not around. አልነበርኩም. It is near the traffic lights at the corner. It is near the traffic lights at the corner. The driver was under the influence of alcohol. 3 individuals were dead and 2 were injured. ሶስት ሰዎች ተጎድተዋል፣ ሁለት ሰዎች ደግሞ ሞተዋል። ይህ መልስ አይሆንም። The driver was under the influence of alcohol. ሾፌሩ አልኮል ጠጥቶ ስለነበር። ይሄ ደግሞ ምክንያት ነው እየጠቀሰ ያለው። So it is near the traffic lights at the corner. ይህም አይሆንም. You know why? Because it says where exactly did the accident happen. So it was near the traffic lights at the corner. The answer is sorry, I was not around. እዛ አልነበርኩም. Sorry, I was not around. Number 45. How do you prepare yourself for your secondary school education? I will handle this difficult situation easily. Future, no? This is future. How long does it take to complete secondary school education? I am preparing myself well to show progress on my academic journey. They were here for long, but I do not know where they are going. So the answer is C. I am preparing myself well. በራሴን በጥሩ ሁኔታ እያዘጋጀሁ ነው. To show progress on my academic journey. ለውጥ ለማምጣት ማለት ነው. Number 46. The conversation between Tasama and Kadir. So Tasama says, how do you feel about online learning? ስለ ኦንላይን ለርኒንግ ምን ታስባለህ? Well, it's good. አሪፍ ነው. But ካለ በኋላ we expect something different, opposite. People can learn easily. ሰዎች በጥሩ ሁኔታ በቀላሉ ይማራሉ. ይሄ እዚህኛው የሚደግፍ ነው እንጂ ተቃራኒ አይደለም. It is accessible to everyone. ለሁሉም ሰው ተደራሽ ነው። ይሄም አይሆንም። ኦንላይን ለርኒንግ is time saving. ጊዜን ይቆጥባል። ስቲል እነዚህ ይህን ሰፖርት የሚያደርጉ ናቸው እንጂ ተቃራኒ አይደሉም. The opposite is this one. The problem is that we do not have sufficient infrastructure. አስፈላጊው ማቴሪያል ኢንፍራስትራክቸር ግን የለንም ነው። It's good, ጥሩ ነው። ነገር ግን the problem is that we do not have sufficient infrastructure. Number 47 is the conversation between Dawit and Sanait. So Dawit says, my father could not afford the cost of the fuel. He is planning to buy hybrid car. የነዳጅ ዋጋ አባቴ የነዳጅ ዋጋን መቋቋም ስላቃተው he is planning to buy hybrid car. ሃይብሪድ የሆነ መኪና ማለት ሁለቱንም መጠቀም የሚችል መኪና ሊገዛ ነው። Sanai says, I see your point, but ነገር ግን so we expect something that contradicts this one. ይሄንን የሚቃረን ነው የምንጠብቀው ማለት ነው። A says, the cost might be too high. ነገር ግን ዋጋው በጣም ከፍተኛ ሊሆን ይችላል. So that's perfect. Let's see the others. Hybrid cars come from China. Hybrid cars come from China. ከቻይና ነው የሚመጡት። እዚህ ጋር ተቃራኒ አይሆንም። Hybrid cars are more comfortable. በጣም ምቹ ናቸው። ይሄኛውም ተቃራኒ አይሆንም። There are many electric cars in the city. So ብዙ ኤሌክትሪክ መኪናዎች በከተማዋ ውስጥ አሉ። ይሄኛውም ተቃራኒ ሊሆን አይችልም። So but the cost might be too high. በጣም ዋጋቸው እኮ ግን በጣም ውድ ነው። Okay, I see your point. ገባኝ ግን ዋጋቸው እኮ በጣም ውድ ሊሆን ይችላል። So the answer is A. Number 48. Life in cities is more threatening compared to the countryside. Dula says, that is what I was thinking. Absolutely. The answer is absolutely. በትክክል. That's what I was thinking. እንደዛ ነበር እኔም እያሰብኩ የነበረው። እኔም ማስበው እንደዛ ነው ማለት ነው። Alright, number 49. What should I do? What should I do? And then he asks something. What should I do? ምን ማድረግ አለብኝ ብላ ሃና ሌላ ተጨማሪ ነገር አለ። ሶ ኢክራም says you should do physical exercise regularly. ሁልጊዜ ፊዚካል ኤክሰርሳይዝ መስራት አለብሽ አለቻት። ሶ ምን አይነት ጥያቄ ብትጠይቃት ነው እዚህ ጋር ፊዚካል ኤክሰርሳይዝ መስራት አለብሽ ያለቻት? ኤ I lose my wallet. ቢ ዋሌት ጠፍቶብኛል, which is not even close to this. I feel stressed all the time. ሁሌ ይጨናነቃለሁ. This is the answer. Okay, I feel stressed all the time. ሁሌ ይጨንቀኛል። So you should do physical exercise regularly. ሁሌ ፊዚካል ኤክሰርሳይዝ መስራት አለብሽ ብላ መከረቻት ማለት ነው። ሲ ላይ ያለው I miss the bus regularly. ሁሌ ባሱ ያመልጠኛል, which is not related to physical exercise. አይገናኝም። Someone is being rude to me. የሆነ ሰው እኔ ላይ በጣም ጨካኝ ሆኖብኛል or መጥፎ ሆኖብኛል. This is also not related to this one. The answer is B. Number 50, it's a conversation between Mulunesh and Darartu. So Mulunesh says, Mary is excited about her birthday party. Darartu says, what? Her favorite pet is a dog. Okay. She has many likes and dislikes. Yes, she does not expect the party to be prepared. She does not see anyone of her friends in the party. Actually, this, in my opinion, እንደማስበው ይሄ ጥያቄስ ችግር አለበት። ለምን Mary is excited about her birthday party ካልን she have to expect the party to be prepared. በጣም ዝግጅት ትጠብቃለች, but it should be not here. Mary is not Mary is not excited about her birthday party. ኤግዛይት አልሆነም ወይም በጉጉት አትጠብቅም ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ደራርቱ says yes, አው ምንም አላጓጓትም ማለት ነው። she does not expect the party to be prepared. እንደውም ፓርቲ ሁሉ ዝግጅት እንዲደረግ ሁሉ አትጠብቅም። So the answer is this if it were fixed this way. እስኪ እናንተን አስተያየት ሜቢ በተለየ አንግል ካያችሁት ኮሜንት ላይ አስቀምጡልኝ። Number 51, it's a conversation between Henok and Muhammad. Henok says, Gannat is very talkative. Whereas means like it's like but. It's comparing two things. Whereas means but. So Gannat በጣም ወሬኛ ነች። በጣም ረጅም ጊዜ ሁልጊዜ የምታወራ ልጅ ነች። Whereas dash Muhammad says, yes, both are raised in different places. በተለያየ ቦታ ነው ያደጉት። ስለዚህ ተቃራኒ ነው የምንጠብቀው። ቶኬቲቭ የሚለው ተቃራኒ that is shy. Her sister is quite shy. ፈሪና ዝምተኛ ነች እንደማለት ነው። ኦኬ ፈሪ ነች እንደማለት ነው። ገነት ወሬኛ ነች፣ ልክ ማውራት የማታቆም ሁሌ የምታወራ ልጅ ነች። እህቷ ደግሞ በተቃራኒው whereas, okay, whereas means but. Her sister is quite shy. ዝምተኛ ነች ማለት ነው። እነዚህ ጀምፕልድ ወርድስ ናቸው ከ52 እስከ 53 that means two questions. እነዚህን ኦርደር አስተካክለን አንድ አረፍተ ነገር መስራት ማለት ነው። የትኛው ነው ትክክለኛው ነው? home is to Ethiopia species many species Ethiopia is home to many species home is Ethiopia is home to many species. So the answer is this one. Ethiopia is home to many species. Okay, number 53, when he mouth cover his should Ababa sneezes. So Ababa should cover his mouth when he sneezes. This is correct. Ababa should cover his mouth አፉን መሸፈን አለበት when he sneezes ሲያስነጥሰው ማለት ነው። ሌሎቹ ግን አይሆንም። when he sneezes Ababa cover his mouth should. This is completely wrong. When he sneezes cover his mouth Ababa should cover his mouth. That's wrong completely. እዚህ ጋር ደግሞ እንደምታዩት jumbled sentences to make a paragraph. jumbled sentences አረፍተ ነገሮቹ በቅደም ተከተል አልተቀመጡም። በቅደም ተከተል አስቀምጠን ፓራግራፍ መስራት ነው። So we got two questions here. ሁለት ጥያቄዎች አሉ። A says the teacher introduces the daily lesson. B finally the teacher discusses the issues with the students. C in the first day of the school the teacher enters the classroom. D all the students leave their seats and greet the teacher politely. ሶ የትኛው ቀድሞ መምጣት አለበት ከነዚህ አረፍተ ነገሮች ውስጥ? C is the first one. In the first day of the school, በመጀመሪያው የትምህርት ቀን ማለት ነው። The teacher enters the classroom. መምህሩ ወደ ክላስሩም ገባ። All the students leave their seats and greet the teacher politely. ሁሉም ተማሪዎች ገብተው ተነስተው ከመቀመጫቸው ተነስተው ሰላምታ አቀረቡለት። Then the teacher introduces the daily lesson. The teacher introduces the daily lesson. የዕለቱን ትምህርት አስተዋወቀ። And then finally the teacher discusses the issues with the students. ያሉትን ነገሮች ከተማሪዎች ጋር ተወያየ ማለት ነው። So the answer is C D A B. C D A B. The answer is A. Number 54, it says finally the work is reviewed and submitted. B, later the answers are written in clear sentences. C, next important points are identified and discussed. D, during the revision sessions the students read the questions carefully. So ምንድነው ሊሆን የሚችለው? It's this one first. During the revision sessions የክለሳ ጊዜ ሲሆን the students read the questions carefully. ተማሪዎች ጥያቄዎቹን በጥንቃቄ ያነባሉ። And then what do they do? Next important points are identified and discussed. በጣም ጠቃሚ የሆኑ ነጥቦች ይለዩና ለውይይት ይወያዩባቸዋል ማለት ነው። And then later the answers are written in clear sentences. መልሶቹም በግልጽ አረፍተ ነገር ይጻፋሉ ማለት ነው። And finally the work is reviewed and submitted. ሙሉ በሙሉ ክለሳ ይደረግና መልሱ submitted ማለት ለመምህሩ ይሰጣል ማለት ነው። So the answer is DCBA. 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 The answer is D. Which of the following sentence is correctly punctuated? Sarah likes apples, oranges, and bananas. Sarah likes apples, oranges, and bananas. Sarah likes apples, oranges, and bananas. So this is correct. We use comma here to list things. From the alternatives, number 57, from the alternatives given, choose the one which is correctly capitalized. በትክክል ካፒታል የሆነው የትኛው ነው? So last week on Tuesday, we visited the National Museum. Last week on Tuesday, we visited the National Museum. Last week on Tuesday, we visited the National Museum. Actually, the sentence is the same, only the capitalization is different. ሶ እዚህ ጋር ቲውስዴይ የሚለው ካፒታል ሌተር መሆን አለበት። ሶ እዚህ ጋር ስሞል ሌተር ስለሆኑ ሁለቱ this is not correct. ሁሉም የሳምንቱ ቀናት በካፒታል ሌተር መጀመር አለባቸው whenever they come. አረፍተ ነገሩ በካፒታል መጀመር አለበት። all of them start with capital letter. እነዚህ ግን ሁለቱ ከምርጫ ውጭ ናቸው ማለት ነው because Tuesday is written in small letter. The next one is comma, we use it. The National Museum, the National Museum, the National Museum, the National Museum. So the answer should be D. It should be National Museum. It should be capitalized as we are referring to the Ethiopian National Museum. Last week on Tuesday, we visited the National Museum. A specific museum mentioned. Okay. Number 58. Identify the sentence which is correctly punctuated and capitalized. A. On June we will visit Lalibela. So Lalibela should be capitalized. እዚህ ጋር ግን አልሆነም፣ መልስ አይሆንም ማለት ነው። On June we have to use comma after say on June. Actually we should say in June. It's not on June. This is wrong. Having said that, let's do it anyways. On June we will visit Lalibela. This is capitalized. We used comma here. On June we will visit Lalibela. This is correct. ግን እዚህ ጋር ሲጻፍ ስፔስ ማድረግ ነበረባቸው። ስፔስ አልተደረገም። ይሄኛው ስፔስ አይደለም። ይሄኛው ግን መልስ አይሆንም። why? Because it is a small letter here. It should have been capital letter. ይሄኛው capital letter መሆን ነበረበት። ይሄ መልስ አይሆንም ማለት ነው። So the answer is C. 59. It says dash when people wash their hands properly, first let's see the instruction. Topic sentence and concluding sentence ነው። ሁለት ጥያቄዎች ናቸው። when people wash their hands clearly, properly, they can remove germs that cause illness. In doing so, they have to use soap and water for at least 20 seconds, which is very effective. In addition to this, hand sanitizer can also be used when soap is not available. By practicing good hand hygiene, people can stay healthy and prevent the spread of disease. So the possible topic sentence of the above paragraph የዚህኛው topic sentence ምን ሊሆን ይችላል? A. Taking a shower every day is essential. ሁሌ ሻወር መውሰድ በጣም አስፈላጊ ነው። We don't after all the passage doesn't talk about shower. ስለ ሻወር ምንም የሚያወራው ነገር የለም። B. Good hand hygiene is essential for staying healthy. የእጅ ንጽህና ጤናን ለመጠበቅ አስፈላጊ ነው። So that is correct. ሲ ላይ ያለውን ነው learning how to use hygiene can improve your brain. አእምሮአችንን ያሻሽል ይችላል። It's not mentioned in the passage. D. Hygiene and doing sports help develop teamwork skills. ስለ teamwork አልተወራም ፓሴጁ ላይ ስለ ስፖርት አልተወራም። So the answer is B. The last question, road safety is indispensable. Indispensable ማለት በጣም አስፈላጊ ማለት ነው። It's very essential. Road safety is indispensable for everyone. When you cross the road, you should take serious attention and caution. You always look both ways before stepping onto the street. You have to use pedestrian crossings whenever available and follow traffic signals as well. You should also avoid distractions like mobile phones while walking near traffic. So road safety is indispensable for everyone. የመንገድ ደህንነት ለሁሉም ሰው በጣም አስፈላጊ ነው። When you cross the road, መንገድ ስታቋርጥ, you should take serious attention and caution. በጣም አቴንሽናችሁን ወይም ደግሞ ትኩረታችሁን እዛ ላይ ማድረግ አለባችሁ ማለት ነው። You always look both ways before stepping onto the street. ወደ መንገዱ ከመግባታችሁ በፊት ሁለቱም አቅጣጫ ወደ ግራና ወደ ቀኝ ማየት አለባችሁ። You have to use pedestrian crossings whenever available. የእግረኛ ማቋረጫ ሲኖር እነሱን መጠቀም አለብህ ካለ ነው። And follow traffic signals as well. ትራፊክ ሲግናል የምንላቸው መንገድ ላይ የምናያቸው የትራፊክ ምልክቶች ናቸው። እነሱንም በደንብ መጠቀም መቻል አለብን። You should also avoid distractions. ትኩረታችንን ወደ ሌላ አቅጣጫ ሊያደርጉት የሚችሉ like mobile phones while walking near traffic. ስንንቀሳቀስ እነሱ ነገሮች እንደ ሞባይል መጠቀም ማስወገድ አለብን ማለት ነው። So the possible concluding sentence of the paragraph is ይህን ፓራግራፍ ኮንክሉድ ሊያደርግልን የሚችለው ወይም ሊያጠቃልልን የሚችለው የትኛው ነው? A. Road safety leads to good grades. የመንገድ ደህንነት ጥሩ ውጤት እንድናመጣ ያግዘናል. It's not even related to this one. B. Road safety improves your flexibility. የሰውነት መተጣጠፍን ሊጨምር ይችላል ሊያሻሽል ይችላል. Which is not even related to this. C. Road safety should be given as a subject in our school system. በትምህርት ቤታችን ሮድ ሴፍቲ እንደ ትምህርት መሰጠት አለበት እንደ አንድ ሰብጀክት ማለት ነው። So which is not even implied here. D says following these rules, እነዚህን ህጎች መከተል helps prevent accidents and injuries. አደጋዎችና ጉዳቶችን ለመከላከል ያግዘናል እነዚህን ህጎች መከተል ማለት ነው። So this is correct. ስለተከታተላችሁኝ አመሰግናለሁ። ለሌሎች ሼር አድርጉላቸው። Thank you.